Daily Current Affairs of 12th and the 13th of March, 2023. The 95th Academy Awards, Oscars 2023, have announced that RRR's Natu Natu won Best Original Song. Next, The Elephant Whisperers, a Netflix documentary short from Kartiki Gonsalves and Gunit Manga, has won the 95th Academy Awards Best Documentary Short Award. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated world's longest railway platform of 1.5 kilometers at Sri Siddharuda Railway Station in Hubballi in the state of Karnataka. Next, Mount Merapi, one of the world's most active volcanoes, erupted, spewing out smoke and ash that covered villages near the crater. Next, Indian Navy's indigenously built guided missile frigate, INS Sahyadri, participated in a maritime partnership exercise with French Navy ships FS Dixmude in Arabian Sea. Next, Indian commercial vehicle manufacturer Ashok Leyland has launched an all-women production line with 100% female employees at its Hosur plant in Tamil Nadu. Next, for a period of 3 months beginning March 14th, the Centre has chosen Siddhartha Mohanty as the interim chairman of the Life Insurance Company of India. Next, the International Golden City Gate Tourism Awards 2023 in the categories of TV Cinema Commercials International and Country International were won by the Indian Ministry of Tourism and Government of India, respectively. Next, Pagal Khana, a 2018 satirical novel by renowned Hindi author Dr. Gyan Chaturvedi, has been chosen for the 32nd Vyas Samman.